These are the elevators at the Fulbright Tower in downtown Houston, Texas. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna stand here. They renovated the cab since I last came here.
Yeah, they did.
My ears are really popped.
Back down the mall.
Okay.
These actually have 51 stories. I think you.
Now. So there's another set that goes up to 51?
Yes, yes.
Oh, we got the wrong one then.
Yeah, we just have to go like further down a little.
Okay.
We could try it. Wait, do we have to go back up to do that?
No.
No, you have to. No, you have to get back to the
Oh,
main
look,
level.
the flight aware thing. That's my home right there, Dallas.
Alright, here we are at the main floor.
Okay, I'm gonna end it.